Hello Aquarians, how are you all? This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute and Finite Healing. So, this video is for you and to understand the month of December. I know it's the end of the year and you all are waiting to reap the fruits of whatever you've sowed for these many months. Let's see. What is it? What is it for my Aquarian friends? Alright, let me see. Don't forget to comment on my videos and also um, how did our readings help you? Alright, oh my god. The reading is so near to the Virgos this time. So, okay. You will again go through a lot of competition. This time. Some would be healthy, some would be unhealthy, but whatever it is, you will be the star of the month. You will be star wherever you go. Even on a smallest picnic you go, you will be the star. Everyone would be searching for you. Oh, where is this person? Where is my Aquarian friend? What happened? Oh, tell him to do this. Tell him to sing a song. Tell him to dance. And people will look up to you. So you will be the star this month. You will experience a lot of fame, a lot of success, a lot of stardom. All right. But you will also face a lot of competition. There might be some people whom you are competing with, not even of your caliber, and might not be having good intentions. But I always say, see, you can use a selenite. This always repels. Especially this selenite is a selenite for radiation removal. So I always tell that keep such a kind of a selenite at your place, especially these mobile towers and mobile radiations. But any kind of negativity. So basically that's what I'm talking. Any kind of negativity is taken away by the selenite. So you could use this selenite to remove this idiot negativity also. And I prefer a smoky quartz to repel negativity. Again, I always say that if you have a negativity magnet only, then you will attract negativity. All right. In whatever way, positive way, negative way. We are healers. Obviously, we sit here and listen to a lot of people's stories, which are sad. So that's how we attract negativity. So that's why I use something like this. Yes, there will be a lot of competition, but still you will be the star. So if there's a pro, there's a con. If there's a con, there's a pro. Right. You're a very self-made person, but sometimes you might find yourself talking a lot about yourself. I did it. I did it. Think about that. You know what I'm saying. You'll get a lot of help from female friends this time. Female friends also will get help from female friends. But this is something I would like you all to know. The card speaks for itself. Well, don't get hurt. Don't go too much deep in expectations. Don't go too much deep in people, in their lives, in what they want to do. You might get hurt. That's the only card that's a little off. Or else money is amazing. Oh yes, and if you are handling any court case, that might come into your favor. So that's very nice. Again, overall I see good cards. But the star mark for me is you becoming a star. Alright. I'm very happy with your cards and I'll see you in the next video. The next video will be for the whole year. So definitely wait for that. And till then, Happy New Year. Stay blessed. God bless. Bye-bye.